Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is May 4th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to the chart and see what we see. Let me zoom in a little bit on each one of them right now and see if my resizing is right. Yes. Let me minimize this and let me maximize this. All right, on the quarterly chart, we are still underneath that R1. We are pushing back up, looking like a little red hammer near the top. Having a hard time breaking that 450 and all, but let's see what happened here come next week. But let's go ahead and go down here to this monthly chart and see what we see there. We're still staying above this moving average here and all, but let's go down and see on the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, we're getting what it's called, I call it a piercing pattern, a bullish piercing pattern, I call it, and all. I think we might call this a right side candle, and all. When you see this and all, the market might be getting ready to break those all-time highs in the next couple of weeks. Don't know. Nothing's for sure, but I first got to see if we can just get over this 450, get over these highs right here. And next week, right now on these are quarterly pivots. We are getting back above pivot, which is nice and all. And where's our R1? Our R1 is up here at 464, and also let's see if we can do that. Usually here, when this market is in a bullish state above the 10 moving average, we do usually reach that R1 level. So let's see what happens come here in May and second month of the quarter. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, we will see in that bullish harami. We are getting, it's not a good confirmation candle because this thing pulled down quite a bit and it is above this high right here, but I like to see it above the high of the pattern, the harami pattern, which is this red candle and this green candle. So we are moving in the right direction. It might take another week before we actually get above this high here to say, yes, we are really taking off, but we are heading in the right direction. All right, and that's what I see there. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the daily chart and wrap this on up. And on the daily chart, there was some crazy trading last week, but it was a good week for a lot of traders that I talked to. And even though we came up here at the top and formed a evening star, actually got confirmation of that evening star, but no follow through. Then almost came down to a weekly support one and reversed right back up. I remember we were looking at it one day and we said, oh, it's going to come down to the previous day low. It came down to that previous day low and gave us a nice bounce and then followed right through and got above this evening star. So it kind of wiped out all this little bullish pattern, bearish pattern that we had right here. And it's trying to head, like I said, back up here and try to see if we can actually break some of these highs. And that's what I see here on the NASDAQ 100. And then that's all I have for you guys today. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.